Hi guys, thanks for checking out my channel. In this tutorial today, I will be showing you how to remove background from an image and make it transparent without using Photoshop or any other premium photo editing tool. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using a free online photo editing tool. So all I need you to do is sit back, relax and watch me do it. First thing first, you need to open up your browser and visit this web page here, LunaPic.com. It's the online tool which I'll be using for this tutorial. So I've opened up my browser. Let's check out the web page and see what it looks like. Awesome. So LunaPic has loaded up, and the next thing you need to do is to click on the upload tab in the menu bar. I already have an image which I want to use for this tutorial, so I just need to browse and upload onto the platform. So this is the image. Let me upload it into the platform. Let's wait for our image to upload. It's gonna take a little time. Awesome. So it's all done. Now that our image has been uploaded, we're on to the main part of the tutorial. We're trying to make this image have a transparent background. As you can see, we've been presented with different options, which is to crop the image, to scale the image, to rotate the image, or to make it transparent. And you know, we're trying to achieve a transparent background with this image, so all we need to do is we'll click on transparent and wait for it to process. Awesome. As you can see, our image background has been made transparent. So this is what we're trying to achieve, and it's been done. And if you scroll down furthermore, we've been presented with options of saving, sharing on Facebook, on Imgur, Pinterest, Twitter, or Google Photos. Now I can as well choose to save this image on my PC or share it on Facebook. It's that simple. So this tool can also be used to achieve a whole lot of other tricks, and it can do anything Photoshop can do. I've been using it for most of my projects, you know, for my web design jobs and for images on my blogs as well. So I hope you've been able to learn a thing or two from this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and watch out for the next video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share my contents on your social media platforms, and subscribe to my channel.